Hello everyone, welcome to part 27 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 7, and in this video we are going to work on delete functionality for categories as well as for category images. Okay, so you can see in last video we able to finish the edit functionality for the category, and in this video we are going to first show the category image here, whatever category image you have added, and along with that category image we will show the delete icon here, delete button, delete link here, so that you can remove the category image anytime. Okay, and after that we will show the delete category link as well. Here we are going to show delete category link as well. Okay, so this thing we are going to do in this video. So let's start. First of all, we are going to show the category image here, whatever image you have added. So I am going to edit here in add edit category page. I'm going to open here. Okay, so add edit category blade file I'm going to open. So I will see here category image, and here somewhere I am going to show the category image if the category image exists. Okay, so that thing I can show after upload. Okay, somewhere here I can try here. Okay, so we are getting the category image in category data. We already know that category data we are making in category their function in add edit category function. We are making the category data for edit. Okay, I will show you that category controller. You can open the category controller, and here you can see the add edit category function, and in edit part you can see that we are making the category data based on the current ID of the category. We are getting the details for the category. If you want to see, you can see from here that we are getting the complete details of the category. Here you can see the category image is coming in this category. Okay, so based on this condition we are going to make condition with this category image that this category image is not empty, then we are going to show the category image there. Okay, so that thing we are going to do. So I will just comment once again, and we'll add the condition for the category image. Okay, here I am going to add the condition somewhere. I'm telling you here I'm going to add. Okay, so at the rate of if not empty dollar category data, here it will come category image. See, if it is not empty, then I am going to show the image for the category. Okay, I first show the image. Yes sir, see here I am going to show the image. Later on I will add the path, and here I am going to make it active. Okay, so the path for the we already know the path set, and here images, inside images, and we have category images folder. If you remember, we used to create category images folder. There we have created the folder category underscore images inside images, and inside this category underscore images our category images will come. Okay, so that thing again I am going to repeat this one. Okay, if it not empty, then it will come, otherwise it will not come, like this. Okay, so first I am going to see that whether it will come here. So you can see big enough it is coming, but we want this small enough. So what we will do, we will add one div here with some style. Okay, so I am going to add one div here. I will put this one in some div, and we'll give this style here, like style. I'm going to fix some height to this one, like 100 pixel. I will also give the width. I am not so good in CSS. You can do your own CSS here, and can correct the design part here. Width here you can give like this. Okay, so along with this one we will also give the delete link for the image. Okay, so that we can delete this image if already added. So I am going to give NBSP I have this option only, so I will give the NBSP here, and after that I will give the delete link. Okay, delete image. I will give the link later on. Okay, so now I can check here. Oh, it is not seems to be that much fine. I'm going to put in under this div. Now it seems to be better. Okay, so can do like this. Okay, so here we have shown the image here. Okay, I'm going to check that how it will look. It will look like this. Delete image. Okay, so and also margin top. Now it looks a bit better. Okay, so you can even increase the width a little bit so that image will be visible like this. Okay, so now see the category image, you can see, and this one we will make the link here, delete image link. Okay, so I'm going to add the link here. In next step we are going to create one route, okay, for deleting this image. Right now I can create the link. So we are going to create the route like admin delete category image, and after that we will send the category ID so that we can delete the image of that category. So here we will pass the category ID, and that we are also getting from the category data itself. Okay, we are getting ID like this. Fine. Okay, so we will see now its link has been appeared here. Okay, now it looks perfect. That category image you can able to see here. When you add the category image for any category, then you can able to see that image here. Okay, so along with this delete image, now for this delete image we are going to add the route. Okay, so here we are going to add the route, get route we are going to add, and we can add at the last. Okay, so here we can add route. Delete category image. Okay, image, and we will pass the ID every time. Okay, ID is mandatory, and category controller, and here we are going to delete category image like this. Okay, so this function we are going to create in category controller, we can create at last. Okay, here we can create this function, public function category controller, and the we need to pass the category ID here. Okay, and see here, now two things we need to do. We need to delete the category image from the folder, from the categories underscore images folder, as well as from that table as well. Okay, from that row as well. Okay, so from two things we need to do here. I'm going to open the php my admin, and I will also open the folder here. See here the folder public category underscore images. I'm going to find image inside images, see category images. Okay, this is the image. We are going to remove this image from this folder, and we are also going to remove this image from this table. Okay, this is the one ID, and it is having, you can see the image here. See here it is. Okay, you can see the image is here, category image. We are going to remove this image. This is for one ID. Okay, so we are going to remove this image from the table, and we are going to remove this image from the folder. Okay, so from both the places we are going to remove. Okay, so for removing the folder, there is one php command, unlink command, but first we will check that file exists. With the help of file underscore exists php command, we are going to check in folder that whether the image exists or not, and if in case image exists, then we are going to use the unlink command of php to remove this image from the folder. Okay, and after that we are going to remove this image from the table as well. Okay, so both the things we are going to do here in this delete category image function. So first of all, we are going to get the category image that we want to delete. Okay, so here we are going to get the category image like this, category image, and category. From category is our model, and we have the id, where id $id. First we will get the category details here. Okay, so this one we require for the category image, so we can use here select as well, select category underscore image like this. Okay, we can do it like this. So after getting the category image, now we will get the category path, category image path. Okay, and that I'm going to make it like image path like this, or we can make category image path, whatever you like, category image path. Okay, and that path is, we know, images category underscore images like this. Okay, this one, see, we have got category image as well as category path, and now we are going to delete category image from folder, from category underscore images folder. Okay, if exists. Okay, if this image exists in folder, then we are going to delete this folder, delete this image from the folder. Okay, so we are going to check that file exists or not. So we are going to check with this one, and here we will use this part $category image path. First we are going to add the path, and inside this path we are going to check the that image is coming from here, this one, and category image that we have found, this one. Okay, so we are going to check whether if file exists, then we are going to unlink, we are going to remove, okay, the file from the folder. Okay, so again we are going to repeat this one. Okay, if it exists, then we are going to remove this file from the this image from the folder. Okay, so this one is done, and after that finally we will delete category image, delete category image from categories table. Okay, finally we are going to remove the image from the table, and for that I'm going to take category where id $id. Okay, and we are going to update the table category image, it must be empty. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have done this one as well, and finally we will return back the user, return the admin, return redirect back, and with message, with success message, like flash message success. We are going to give this message like this, and here category image has been deleted successfully. We can return back the user like this. Okay, so now we can check this one, and here in categories blade file I'm going to open this one category. Okay, fine, I'm going to open this one, add edit category, and here we want the success message as well. So I'm going to copy from somewhere else, like here, this one I'm going to copy. Okay, and I'm going to paste this one here, so that we will get the success message every time when the admin delete the category image. Okay, so now we can check here two things we are going to check. We are going to check here in a table with id 1 that the category image has been removed from here, and we will also check in folder that the category image has been removed from the folder as well. Okay, so let's click on delete image. See, the image has been deleted, and now we are going to check here in folder in here in I'm going to refresh this one. You can see the category image has been removed from the table. Okay, and I'm going to check here. See, the category image has been removed from the folder as well. So from both the places we able to remove the category image. Okay, so our purpose has been solved here. Okay, we able to remove, but the success message is not coming. That we need to see that why it is not coming. Okay, so we have another way we can show the success message like this. Okay, this is the another way that we can means take benefit of this one. Okay, so if the message is not coming like this, we can use it like this. Okay, so yeah, success message, and in success message you just need to create the message here. Okay, I am going to create the message here like this one. If in case the message does not come, then we can give it like this. Okay, we have another way, and this one you can simply redirect back. Okay, you can also use it like this if you don't want. Now we can try once again. Okay, so I am going to add one image here once again, and we'll see. I'm going to add one image, and any image I can add here like this one. Upload. Okay, submit. I'm going to check. See, image has come here. Now I'm going to delete once again, and see the category image has been deleted. This time the message is coming. Okay, so now it is fine, and now we can work on here delete category link. Okay, so we can delete the categories as well, and here we are going to add the link. Okay, so we are going to update this categories blade file along with this edit. I am going to add the link for delete as well. Okay, and here I'm going to add simple way, and here I'm going to add the link like delete hyphen category. We can add this link delete hyphen category, and here we will add delete, and here we can give one to NBSP as well, NBSP, so that there is some space between these two. We can check once that delete link has appeared here. Fine. Okay, so now we can add the route, like we have added the route for delete category image. Here we can add the route for delete category. Okay, like this. Okay, and every time we are going to add the ID here. ID is mandatory here. Okay, for deleting the category, ID is mandatory. Okay, so after this one, here we are going to add delete category. Instead of delete category image, we will add delete category. Okay, so this function we can create here in category controller. public function category controller, and here we are going to pass the id, and from this id we can delete that category from the categories table. Okay, I will just give command delete category, and here we can take the category model, and we are going to check with id, uh, and with this id I will just give the command of delete here, and we can see copy this one once again. Okay, and we can just bring it here. Category has been deleted successfully. This one we are going to write, and this one seems to be fine enough. Okay, so we can check now. We can remove one of the category, like we can remove this formal t-shirts category, this fifth id. Okay, I can remove this one. I'm going to click on delete link here, and you can see the category has been deleted, and the message is also coming here, category has been deleted successfully. Okay, so like this we can delete the category as well. Okay, so two things we have done in this video. One is we have removed the category image, and another one is we have removed the category itself. Okay, and in later videos when we make product section, then we will also remove the products of that category. Okay, we will delete the complete product details of that category, because otherwise the issue can come in future. Okay, so that thing we will also do in future videos after making the product section. And one more thing, in next video what we are going to do, we are going to add sweet alert. jQuery script sweet alert is the jQuery alert, okay, that will alert the user that means they want to confirm that actually you want to delete the category or not, do you want to delete something or not, because might be you have clicked here by mistake. Okay, so that is really crucial. So we will add that sweet alert for delete category as well as delete category image. Okay, for both the links we are going to add that sweet alert. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in next video, and that looks attractive, and that will come like if sometime you by mistake click on delete, then it will ask you that are you sure you want to delete this. Okay, so that kind of thing is required in the complete website, where you think that user admin can click on that thing by mistake. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in our next video, and if you have any queries you can surely contact me in video description. Okay, so that all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.